Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how and what I do to have a perfect oral health. Well, I believe in brushing 2 times a day. I ensure that I don't sleep without brushing at night. Besides, I also believe flossing is mandatory that should be adopted by each and every one of us. I get my thorough dental checkup done once in every 6 months, including dental radiography to check for any developing lesion of caries or cavity. I use mouthwash as and when required, but I don't use any mouthwash for a long period of time, as use of mouthwash for a long period of time can cause dental staining, and we have to be mindful of that. Once a year I go for dental bleaching so that my teeth are always sparkling white and I can give a very healthy smile to all my patients. I also believe that using a fluoridated toothpaste and a medium grade electric toothbrush is a success for my dental hygiene. Wishing you all the very best. I'm always there to sort you out with any dental issues. Have a great day.